GCSE Maths doing our last minute prep for the upcoming Paper 2 or Paper 3 exam for GCSE Maths, okay, for the calculator papers. So this is question number 1. What is the size of angle Y? The reason for your answer. Well, these are what, so I've got angles in parallel lines here. So this follows like a Z shape, okay? Now Z shape, mathematical term for that called alternate angles. Okay? Try to avoid using Z angles. Okay, if it helps you remember it, alternate angles are in sort of like Z shape. Okay, and then corresponding angles are in like an F shape. Okay, and then co-interior angles are in like a U shape. Okay, like a sideways, yeah, or like U shape. Okay, so it's alternate angles, therefore y is equal to 63 degrees. Okay, so remember that, yeah, for your exam, guys. Also remember, yeah, corresponding angles. So this angle and this angle, what we call, yeah, corresponding. So let's say this angle here, okay, that's corresponding to that here, is also vertically opposite, so it's equal to y. So let's call this x. So x would obviously equal to, yeah, that, because of, yeah, what I call, yeah, corresponding angles. And then for co-interior angles, that's angles inside the parallel lines. So it's this angle here, okay? So co-interior angles make 180 degrees, okay? Or use the fact that angles in a straight line, yeah, to make 180. So you're able to use, yeah, more than one method to work out the angles, but those are the three main ones that, yeah, alternate angles are equal, corresponding angles in the form of an F shape are equal, and the interior angles to make 180. Question number 2. The rectangle is enlarged by a scale factor of a half. What are the dimensions of the enlarged rectangle? Now I'm going to multiply everything by half. So 14 times half is going to be 7. So it's 7 by, and then a half times 5 is 5 halves, or 2.5. Okay, so the dimensions are 7 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. Okay, so I multiplied everything by half. Question number 3. If a 6-sided dice is rolled, what is the probability that it lands on a 4? Well, 4 appears once out of a total, yeah, number of possible outcomes. That's going to be 6, because I have the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the probability that it lands on a 4 is 1/6, or equivalent. So not 1/6 reoccurring. So 6666, or 16.6 reoccurring. Question 4. Solve the equation 37 equals 6x minus 5. Step 1, I'm going to add 5 to both sides to balance each side respectively. 37 plus 5 makes 42. So 42 is equal to 6x. I don't want 6x, I just want x. So I'm going to divide everything by 6. So 42 divided by 6 is 7. So 7 is equal to x. Okay, 6x divided by 6, they obviously just cancel. So yeah, so 7 equals x. Better yet, write it from left to right. X is equal to 7. Okay, these are some classic Paper 2 and Paper 3 AQA, Edexcel and OCR for the overlap section of Higher and Foundation. Thank you very much. Best of luck in your exam tomorrow or today.